So today we will solve odd even problem of GFG. So given a string S of lowercase English characters, find out whether the summation of x and y is even or odd, where x is a count of distinct characters that occupy even positions in English alphabets and have even frequency, and y is a count of distinct characters which occupied odd position in English alphabet and have odd frequency. So we have given a string s in this question, and so we have to find the value of x and value of y, and we have to check the summation of x and y is even or odd. If it is odd, then we have to print odd. If it is even, then we have to print even. So in this case, the x plus y is even. So we have to print even. We have to also check the time complexity and space complexity which is expected in this question. So expected space complexity is order of length of the string, and space complexity is constant. So let's solve this question. So our approach will be, we will first count all the characters of a string, means we will count distinct characters. Suppose b is coming 3 times, so we have to get the counts of that each particular character in the string. So we have to count all the frequency of a particular character, and then we will check that particular character is even or odd. Suppose a is coming in the odd position, and a is coming in odd position, and the value of a count of a is 1. So y value will be 1, and b is coming on even position, and its count is odd. So no value is added in x. And c is odd, but it's even, its count is even, so no value is added in y. So y value will be 1 only, and x value will be 0. X value is 0 because x is for even, and b is even, but its count is odd. Our condition is x is the count of distinct character that occupy even position in the English alphabet and have even frequency. So b frequency is not even, so we will not add in x. Okay, and c is in odd position but has even frequency, so y will not be added. So only x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, and its summation will be odd. So we will print odd. So let's solve this question. We will first declare one count array, because in English alphabet there are 26 characters. So we will declare this array where we will store the counts of all the characters. So we have initialized this array to 0. So all 26 values is initialized to 0. Now we will make a loop of string. So now each time, so we will check. Okay, so what we will do first, okay, so suppose s of I will be a some character, and we will convert into that array position by subtracting minus a, and then we will, what will be the value comes, that we will add in the count array. So by this loop we will store all the count values of particular string s, this particular string s. So all the count, suppose here a comes one time, so the position, first position will be 1, and then b position will be 3, and c position the count will be 2, and rest will be 0. So now, so again we will make a loop from 0 to 26, because we will now looping the character count array. So in that array we'll check if count of I is greater than 0, then only we will check, because we want the characters which is in string. So it should be, if the characters in the string, that it should be greater than, count value will be greater than 0. So this is the condition. Now if we will check count I is greater than 0, okay, then we will check for even or odd condition. Suppose if that I plus 1, I plus 1 mod 2 is equal to 1, that means it's even. That means it's even. It's, sorry, it's odd. Equal to 1 means it's odd, and else it's even. Okay. Now, so if it's even, if it's odd, okay, the position that why I added 1, because a array will store from 0 to 0 index, and the eighth position will be stored in 0 index, and a value will be 1. A value in the sense, we will assume a as a odd place. So 1 2 3, we will start from 1 to 26, but in array it will store from 0 to 25. So I plus 1, suppose, is odd. So we'll check if count of I is also odd, then if this count of I is also odd, means the frequency of this particular element is odd, then we will increment y. So first we have to declare x and y initialized to 0. So if it's coming on I, the position is also odd and its frequency is also odd, then we will add into y. And now if, okay, so if uh, position is even, else means position is even, and if count of I is even, then we will add in x. So this for loop will calculate x and y. So if here we will check for summation of x plus y. If summation of x plus y is even, then we will return even. here, and otherwise we will return odd. So now let's check for sample case. So it's odd. Now submit. So all test case has passed, and let's analyze time complexity and space complexity. So we have taken this array, or in these two variable an array, and because we have taken till 26, so it's constant space only, and we are iterating size of the array, size of the string. So that means the space complexity is length of the string, and space complexity is constant. Okay, thank you.